What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. And for today's video we're gonna put to the test more kitchen gadgets I found on TikTok. Let's see what I got this time. I got it here, might be the coolest wine opener I ever seen. Super cool design, look at that, it flips over and locks in. And this side here looks like we'll tighten the cork, and there's a corkscrew. Boom, wow, cut foil. What? It says it cuts foil right here, so we don't even have to take the foil off, I think. Let's try it. So just put it into the bottle like this, all the way in, right? Yeah, wow. That's it. That's it. Cut foil. It says cut foil, but we'll see. So we'll just push it and flip it over. Ooh, it's going to remove the bottle right away. The cup, I mean. Wait, the cup? The cork. Look at that. And then all I have to do is just push it the other way. Let's see. Ooh, it will remove the cork all the way out again. What? That is incredible. Still have to practice a bit, but that was the easiest way to open a bottle. I probably would still cut the foil so it's a bit easier without it, but that is awesome. Look at that. I have one more right here. Let's try it one more time because this is just the coolest bottle opener I ever seen. So just plug it in, kind of a little bit awkward at first, but then hold it this way, push it through, pull it out. Yeah, without foil it is a lot better, and then just kind of push it down this way. Amazing. You never seen a paper towel holder like this. First of all, it comes with this holder, but the best part, it comes with this little spray bottle, and I just put soap on it, like this kind of power soap spray. So that one I can keep by the kitchen, and that one I refill it and use it actual the same soap, and it works with it super well. And soap up and then put it back and then release a piece and remove it. I don't have to hold it. Look at that. This holds right here super well. The only problem is I cannot lift it easily by the top because the bottle will remove, so I have to lift the whole thing. But this soap solution works with this one super good. The same soap solution. Wash it up, put it away. I take it back. Might be the best thing ever. You press it and lock it in and lift it. Press it and remove it. What? This is so cool. So now I take it back. It is the best paper towel holder. Has a really nice grip into it. Press it all the way and now you can lift it and carry it. We use candles all the time around dinner time. And what about if you forget to turn them off? There's a little gadget for it. You kind of open it up and plug it in onto your candle. Well, you can adjust it bigger or smaller. Okay, now it works, really adjustable. Now it sits in there really nicely and it's not sliding down. Okay, let's see what happens if we leave this candle on out here. Yeah, the wax is getting softer, so it's like moving it slowly too close, and it's keep finding like a harder wax, and it's slowly melting more and more. Oh man, it's so close. Come on, let's see how long will it take. It's been like 5 minutes now. Oh, boom, and it did it. That's awesome. I love it. Definitely put it on every candle that I have. It took 7 minutes to turn off, but at least it will turn it off. So that's awesome. I got it here, popcorn maker. Let's see. It store the wire down here. All it is like a blow hot air. And where's my popcorn? This one I'm going to use to see what happens with it. I'm pretty sure we just add on to it as much as we want, but to this little line, that's it, not too much. And then put the cover back on and plug it in. All I have to do is plug it in. Oh, don't forget to remove the cover. There you go. And now it's going to spin. The air is starting to heat up, so it shouldn't take too long. There you go, now it's popping. The cool part is all the unpopped pieces that got popped out go back in there. Because it's keep mixing. That is awesome. Whoa, that's working really well. I love watching popcorn popping. Something about that super satisfying. Okay, I think it's done. Ah, there's a few more stagolo. Is it done or not? Man, still popping. Gotta be patient. It's not like it's going to burn. It's just hot air. Okay, now it's done. Okay, that's it. Now, what they recommend is just put the cover back on. It's still popping. Is it hot? No, not hot at all. And then flip it over, and boom, put this away, and roll up the wire into the wire storage. That's easy. And now I can go and take the bowl. See how many of them did unpop. Oh, there is a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces only have not popped out of all of them. Taste test. Pretty good. I got right here a KitchenAid, and as you can see, it is kind of hard to get it in and out. It's heavy. There's a gadget that will be easy to kind of bring it back, fill it up with stuff, push it back, and turn it on and spin it. So what this gadget is about, instead of like lifting it up and down, if it's a problem for you, there's a little sliding little table adjustment attachment. It's gonna takes apart too easily, I would say, but it has 4 wheels and it just slides in and out. Seems like would be no problem for coffee pot, for anything that is kind of sitting under the cabinets, and maybe it's in a way. Whenever you try to lift it, it cannot do it. So you can lift it, push it forward, open it, fill up with stuff, close it, and I turn on the spinning and still have space. I got it here, juicer, orange juicer, citrus juicer, USB plug right here. It actually runs on batteries, so it's portable. That's kind of cool. And there's a button on and off. Wow, it's going fast. It's catching all the juice, it's not spilling. Whoa, this is powerful. Will it go by itself? Yeah. It sets it by itself. It's going fast. And I can just pour it. Whoa, and it's super light. I could just lift it and pour it this way. So, to remove the orange. What? It holds it this way. Okay, now I know how to do it. Stick your orange into here and then push it down and lock it. Okay, now I know how to do it. It's easier. This is 1 orange. Look how well it does. This is just from 1 orange. Oh wow, look, there's a maximum line. Look, I can hold it. Incredible. And then pour it more. Lift it up. Wow, this is cool. Oh, you know what? It comes with pump and everything, so a little bit of pulp. So I'll probably need some kind of strainer and remove it. Wow, look how well it cleaned it all out. I like it. This is cool. And there's a fresh orange juice, 2 oranges. 2 oranges, like a big size oranges, will give you a full cup of orange. I got it here, a can opener, in case you injure your wrist, or for people who have like a weaker wrist. It just attaches and opens it, and it does not have a sharp edge, and it doesn't take too much space either. All I can do is just put it in a drawer instead of one of those standalone that take up spaces. It's much smaller and it doesn't need any kind of wires and plugs. That's why I kind of like it. Sounds kind of weird. Sounds like it wants to give out. But who knows? Okay, all the way through. Push the bottom. it releases. I wish there was a magnet to kind of like lift it up or something, or some kind of hook to lift this whole thing up. I have to use hands, but it is super easy. Do you see there's some kind of glue that is separating it? And also this way, whenever you're cutting into the metal, usually this shavings of it will fall in a little bit into the can. So prying it open also doesn't do that as well. How about this simple gadget? Replaces the tongs into a fork. I thought, oh no, it's not going to work, but it's pretty universal. Boom. Get 2 big spoons, you got yourself tongs. Wow, they really lock. And if you want 2 forks or fork and spoon, you can do that. So it's a versatile spatula. What do you call it? Tongs? Yeah, that's amazing. Boom. Tighten it up. It's not coming off or anything. Really tight. So I can grab an egg, and you know how you put in the egg into boiling water for like what, 10-15 minutes? You can easily do that. Place the egg into a boiling water without worrying about it. I can even grab it this way and lift it. Wow, this is quite nice. You can put fork and a spoon for salads. Easy to grab salads, 2 forks. This is an incredible idea. I don't know how beautiful it is. It's just functional. That's all I gotta say. Okay, now that I have this eggs out, how about eggs dispenser? I don't know. It takes a lot of space. How many eggs can it hold? Let's find out. So this flat piece, it takes a lot of eggs, and then you can double it up. But when it's empty, you only have like half of eggs, but still taking up a lot of space. Let's try this. Is it a truly good idea? Alright. Also, I want to know if the eggs are gonna break or not. Maybe don't wanna. This way is going to go. Maybe don't want to, like, you know, load it from the top. No, wow, it's not breaking. But I would definitely want slide them down super fast. Okay, let's see how many eggs will it take. Okay, this is a dozen and a half. Oh no. The question is fine. I like buying eggs in bulk. This is cool. They take a lot of eggs, but where am I gonna put these eggs now? So it is made for only dozen eggs. Maybe get 2 of these next to each other, but it's kind of the same thing. And that's hilarious. It actually works. Obviously. Oh no, the egg's stuck. You can help it out. Gives you more work to unpackage your eggs. I like taking out the whole carton instead of taking out this whole thing. I feel like it is much safer to take out the whole carton, buy the oven, and use as many eggs as you need. I got right here a slicer or dicer, whatever you want to call it. Check this out. It comes with a compartment with different pieces, so I could keep it open or keep it's all inside. It has a measurement cup. That's kind of cool. So let's cover it back up and slice it up, see what happens. So I don't have to tilt it. All I have to do is just stand it this way. Look at that. Super sharp. That is incredible. Nice. Let's try another one. And so whenever I need to take it out, all I have to do is just shake it up and super easy remove it and clean it. I like it. Also, if I wanted something smaller, let's try a different one, see what it's going to look like. Let's do the option without. Let's say it's going to be cheese. Yeah, this is probably not so much for cucumbers, but yeah, there you go. It's coming out. It's probably more for cheese, for the smaller pieces. But it is incredibly sharp and really easy to replace. Wow, this is amazing. Let's start with something hard just to see if it works so well. Oh yeah, look at that. This is incredible. Whoops. I should get some kind of non-cut gloves so I don't cut myself. This is kind of scary. It is kind of getting clogged though. There you go. Yeah, definitely need non-cut gloves. I have those mesh ones, but yeah, this chopping it super well. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.